Hey, today we are going to eat bancang kueh or pancake, the traditional or Chinese, Malaysian or Malay, whatever pancake. That's cooked the pancake dough in a small bowl and it's very yummy as a snack. And this one is at Taman Lipsin at a super tangle food court called Aki Pancake. And it's always queuing up. Their business is doing really well. It's a bit messy as you can see, but I bet that it's very delicious. Now we come to look at the menu. See, this is the menu. There are so many types of pancakes because you can add whatever you like into it for your choice. But the original one is the peanut sprinkles with sugar. That's the one that I like the most and the cheapest in this menu actually. There we have it. 2 pieces of hot and very yummy pancake in front of me. One for 1 ringgit and 70 cents or roughly 40 to 45 cents US dollar. And look at it, look at it. It's so yummy, so crunchy. See the flakes of it. Let me take a bite. You can see it's hard and crispy on the outside and pretty fluffy on the inside. And look at the amount of peanuts and sugar. It's a very sinful food, I bet you. Well, the leftover, we can't let it go too.